you guys are not able to see, my bad, because you previously we are getting some permission denied access, right? So how I resolve it, I'll tell you through the history command. So I just provide chmod 600 and then the PEM file. So I'm accessing it. Now onwards, suppose if you want to check bf-h, if you want to check that any AFS is there or not. So here we are not having any elastic file system. We are having this. Suppose if you want to check pre-n, that what is the memory size of this. So you can see what is the memory size. Suppose if you want to check the top command, like if you want to check the CPU utilization of this. So by top command, you are able to see that which process is taking how much time, right? And suppose if you want to check the kernel version, so you just do uname -r, that is the kernel version. Any doubt till here? So now I'm just installing the Jenkins through here. Meha, is my screen is visible to you?
Mm, Earlier yes, yes, it is visible. Teams is open. Instance is open. Now CI/CD automation here.
My terminal is not open. You are not able to see my terminal.
No, not yes, it's open now. It was visible what you were doing.
Yeah, visible, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
I having some, like we are having some commands to install those things. So give me a minute. Just give me a single minute. Just give me a single minute. Mhm. Just give me a single minute. Sorry for the inconvenience, but just give me a single minute. May I just tell me if you are able to see my screen? Sorry for the inconvenience caused, but just tell me if you are able to see my screen, each and everything. Yeah, so we need to install the Jenkins, right? So first of all, we doing so, we need to log into the server. Okay. So first of all, we just need to do sudo apt update. Then we as we already just did the thing, so we won't face any kind of issue. So for this like before going to your like Jenkins, we have a dependency over the Java. So now I'm going to check that Java version is there or not. So I see that Java version is available, but Java is not found. So we need to install the Java version first of all. So I'm going to install the JRE version over here, right?
Yeah, but why are we installing Java on Jenkins?
For Jenkins package, we need a Java dependency. If you see, we are having dependency over there. Without Java, like we are not able to, go with the Jenkins installation. So it's a dependency or a requirement, prerequisite, you can say.
Okay.
So now you can say the open JDK is 11.0.19 and this is an environment runtime is this and this. So after JDK, we need to go for your like we need to check for the Java version, right? So if when I'm saying Java version, so I'm having this. So now I'm going to just install the things up through this. So I'm just going to check for the Jenkins part of thing. So what you guys see that I already did that thing. So I just make it a note. So we are not facing an issue while installing it. So we need to curl, then curl hyphen fssil http package dot, you can go through the package dot jenkins.io debian stable I'm using, and then you can also okay, I'll show you from where I can, everyone can do that. pkg dot jenkins.io, right? Over here you just need to check for the debian stable. I have just do that, so I just do it from here, so you guys are also able to know that how we get that the Jenkins Debian package. So as I already told you, it's an open source, so anyone can go and just take it from there, right? After this, what we need to do, we just need to add the Jenkins app repository over here. So I'm just running the command for this. Then as already update the local package index, finally install the Jenkins. So after this, what we need to do, we just need to sudo apt-get we just need to do the systemctl enable Jenkins, right? So firstly we'll go to the what is the cdn system enable Jenkins. Then I'll go, what is that, like Jenkins is give me a minute. Then we need to go to the sudo apt-get install Jenkins. We creating a symlink for this. After this, we are able to access that part. So what the unit we are missing? So we are not. It's syncing up with this lib system cd system d system Jenkins dot service file, right? Path. And for this part, like suppose if anyone is not able to understand what is the echo means, what is the get update, you firstly go through once by your own. If you face any kind of issue, just let me know into the tomorrow's session, so we will connect and get back to you on those points as well, right? Because I don't want to waste the person's time who is having the idea. So that's why I'm not telling you what exactly the means. I'm just giving you the overview. So when I'm going for the sudo system CTL enable Jenkins, what does it mean? We are enabling the Jenkins over here, right? So it's enable, right? Because how we able to know that synchronizing state of Jenkins.service with SSB service script with this install, and then we are executing the system file which is enabling the Jenkins one, right? Then we what we going to do, we just need to start the Jenkins, and after starting we just want to know the status. Like suppose if you do something, you need to check for the status as well, right? So you see that our Jenkins is installed and your status is active. Any doubt till here? Please let me know. Hello. Neha, are you able to? Puneet, are
I'm
you?
just muting. I'm just muting him. Just
Uh, very much sound. Can you please mute that person?
yes, Arohi, I'm just doing it. Just give me a minute.
So, Arohi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, you
Actually,
can.
what I understand that you have logged into your AWS account and you have created one Ubuntu instance, and then you are running these commands through putty, right?
No, not putty. I'm not using putty. I'm just using terminal only.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not
But
using putty.
we can also use putty as well, right?
When you're using the Windows, then you need. I'm just using the Ubuntu server, like Linux machine, so I don't need to go for that putty.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose you can use the Remina as well, right? But you don't putty Remina, these kind of things. But I'm having the Linux, so I don't need to go for all this, right? Because when you're talking about the virtual box as well, so you want a terminal basic, your right? So I don't need to go for it because I'll just be into your Linux machine.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to understand that only. Okay, thank you so much.
So putty is totally Sunil. What happened? Like you are into the Linux machine, that's why you don't need a putty. Suppose if you are using the Windows and you need to create log into the cloud, right? For that particular perspective, you need a putty to connect to the remote server,
Right.
right? Then uh, then we need to do what we need to do. We just suppose when we install the Jenkins, right? So we need to check whatever the service we have, what are the servers we are having, are we able to connect it public, right? So I'm just checking onto the port 8080, the IP and the port 8080. It must be working and opening the my thing, right? Means
Okay.
we are able to install the Jenkins, and we just need to go to this particular path and copy the what it says. To ensure the Jenkins is securely set up by the administrator, a password has been written to the log. Where the log is, you need to go to this particular path, right? And I'll show you one more thing. So, as I already work onto the security, that's why it's easily open. Suppose if I won't work onto the security part, right? Then you are not able to access it very easily. I'll show you how. Suppose I just go to the edit inbound rule and I just delete this rule, right? And I just save rules. Now, can I access to this? Now I just check, right? Give me a minute. You see that previously we are able to open this server through port 8080, right? But now we won't because I'm not allowing the security port for this. It's only buffering and loading, right? So we need to know the troubleshooting part as well. So we see that it's not working. So what I do, I'll just go here and then I'll go to the security, then I'll go to the security group. I just open into the different tab, then I see what are the inbound rules are enabled here. So I see that we can SSH it. As you see, SSH we are able to do. Why? Because we already allowed this rule. Suppose if I'll delete this rule also, then you are not able to SSH the server, right? Then we allow the all traffic because it's a public server, so public IP, so anyone can access this particular server. But what we need to do, we just need to, why I am allowing the custom TCP, because I just want to access that part as well. It just take few minutes, like only 2 minutes. IP got changed. What happened? Okay, my bad. Port range is 8080. Yeah, you see, when I allow the port range 8080, then we are able to access that thing. Sunil, I think you are able to, and everyone is able on to the same page. Everyone is able to understand that what we need to do next, right? So we have installed the Jenkins. Now we need to go for the administrator password. So how we go over here? We need to SSH again, as it's broken pipe. Then we need to go over here, and then my bad, sorry.
And in
CD.
case if you forgot the administrative password, then how we will recover that?
You there's a no case na, that you have like do this. You just need to be very sure about that. That
Okay.
like that's why you need to paste it somewhere that you never forget, right? So I just do that sudo cat, right? Cat means I just want to see the text over here, right? Then what is the position where left Jenkins secrets and then initial admin password, right? Now I'll go and keep this password over here, like I
And
just installed the suggested plugins.
and Arohi, where will I get these commands, like whatever you're doing it right now? Like,
That's I told you already.
okay,
The same command pkg.jenkins.io.
okay.
Anyone is having any other doubt? Please let me know. Any doubt like while SSHing the server or any PEM file modifications? हेलो, जो भी बोल रहा है मुझे इको आ रहा है, बस आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हेलो मैम, ये पूछ रहा था मैं, ये सेशन हिंदी में मिल सकता है? मेरे 30 मिनट का सेशन तो समझ में आया, उसके बाद तो मेरे सर से ऊपर.
हिंदी में देखिए, मैंने आपको क्या नहीं समझ में आया? जो अभी मैंने ये AWS पे बनाया वो नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं मैम, मुझे जो 30 मिनट का सेशन है वो पूरा समझ में आया, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं आया जो आपने डिस्कस किया है.
अच्छा, आपको लेकिन मैंने ऐसी कोई इंग्लिश यूज नहीं की है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आपको मैं अभी यहाँ से बता देती हूँ. देखिए, हमने उसके बाद क्या किया, जो मैंने मेजर किया मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. हमने क्या किया, एक ये हमारा AWS कंसोल है, ये समझ में आ रहा है. फिर उसके बाद हम कहाँ गए, हम गए एक लॉन्च इंस्टेंस पे. हमने एक इंस्टेंस लॉन्च किया. अब हम आपको कैसे बताएं, हम आपको ऐसे बता रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पे लॉन्च इंस्टेंस पे गए, ठीक है. फिर हमने क्या किया, ये क्या कह रहा है कि आप भाई लॉन्च इंस्टेंस कर रहे हो तो आप नाम दोगे ना. आप किसी चीज को बना रहे हो तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफिकेशन तो दोगे. सपोज करिए मैंने यहाँ पे टेस्ट नाम दे दिया, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आप कोई लैपटॉप यूज करते हो? आप लैपटॉप यूज करते हो
यस मैम.
या फिर आप फोन ही यूज
यस
करते हो?
मैम.
सपोज करिए मैं आपको पता है कि फोन में भी हमारे पास एंड्रॉइड ओएस होता है या फिर हम मैक ओएस यूज करते हैं, ठीक है. मैक फोन यूज करते हो आप, या फिर वो आपका आईफोन होता है, वो मैक होता है, या फिर आप एंड्रॉइड में कोई भी यूज करते हो, ओप्पो, वन प्लस, सैमसंग, एनीथिंग, राइट. तो सेम हमने क्या किया, हम क्या चाहते हैं कि हम कोई ऐसी हम एक इमेज यूज कर लें. तो हमने यूज की आपकी उबंटू इमेज, ठीक है. इमेज मतलब आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, जहाँ पे सारे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑलरेडी होते हैं, आपको कुछ इंस्टॉल नहीं करना पड़ता है. ये खासियत है आपके AWS की, ठीक है. फिर हम अगर आप लॉन्च कर रहे हो तो आपको आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा कट रही है. आप फिर आप एक इंस्टेंस टाइप भी लोगे. इंस्टेंस टाइप आप T3 ले लीजिए, T4 ले लीजिए, जो भी लीजिए वो आपकी मर्जी है, ठीक है। अब मुझे तो एक नॉर्मल जेनकिंस इंस्टॉल करना था, तो मैंने क्या किया, एक T3.micro फाइल ले ली, ठीक है। फिर मैंने क्या किया, अब मुझे उसके लिए एक पेम फाइल चाहिए। पेम फाइल मतलब, पेम फाइल मैं क्यों यूज कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि भाई अगर पेम फाइल नहीं यूज करूंगी तो कोई भी एक्सेस कर लेगा मेरा सर्वर, मैं नहीं चाहती कि कोई भी एक्सेस करे। तो उसको सिक्योर बनाने के लिए मैंने एक की पेयर क्रिएट किया, एक पेम फाइल क्रिएट करी, और फिर मैंने आपका इंस्टेंस लॉन्च कर दिया। इतनी बात समझ में आई आपको? फिर हेलो, ये जिसकी क्वेरी थी उसको ये समझ में आया?
यस
हेलो,
मैम,
ये आपको समझ में आया जो आपकी ये क्वेरी थी?
यस मैम, यस।
ठीक है। अब देखिए उसके बाद क्या किया, अब आपने जब ये इंस्टेंस लॉन्च किया, तो इंस्टेंस लॉन्च करने के बाद आपको ये देखना है कि जो आपका ये स्टेटस चेक लिखा हुआ है ना लवी, तो ये आपका 2/2 पास होना चाहिए। 2/2 पास का भी रीजन है, ये देखिए यहाँ पे, मतलब आपकी जो सिस्टम की रीचेबिलिटी है, मतलब आपका सिस्टम रीचेबल हो रहा है या नहीं, या फिर इंस्टेंस रीचेबल हो रहा है या नहीं, ये भी पास होना चाहिए, तभी आप इंस्टेंस को रीच कर पाएंगे। अब इंस्टेंस को रीच करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, आपको एक आईपी चाहिए होगी। तो आपने क्या किया, वो आईपी आपकी पब्लिक आईपी है, मतलब IPv4 है, इंटरनल हम इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर यूज कर रहे हैं, वो भी वर्जन 4 यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। हो सकता है कि कोई 6 यूज करे। आप इसको आप कैसे चेक कर सकते हो, सपोज करिए मैं कैसे चेक कर सकती हूँ, व्हाट इज माय आईपी, राइट। मेरी आईपी क्या आ रही है, IPv6 आ रही है, पब्लिक आईपी एड्रेस। हो सकता है मैं अब यहाँ पे लिख दूं IPv4 एड्रेस, तो ये क्या ले रहा है, मेरे डोमेन में क्या ले रहा है, जो मेरी आईपी है वो, देखिए ये मेरी IPv6 आ रही है, और ये चेक कर रहा है मेरा IPv4 ये है, राइट। तो आप भी अपने जब लैपटॉप पे ऐसे करोगे तो आपकी डिफरेंट आएगी। दो रीजन है, एक आपका क्या कहते हैं वर्जन 6 पे आएगा, और एक वर्जन 4 पे आएगा। अब ये क्या बताता है आपका कि आप कौन सी सिटी में है, कौन से रीजन में है, इंडिया में है या यूएस में है, ये सारी चीजें आपको वहां से पता चल जाएंगी, राइट। अब इतना समझ में आया आपको? फिर हमने कुछ नहीं किया, फिर उसके बाद हमने क्या किया,
यस मैम।
सर्वर को हमने एसएसएच किया। सर्वर एसएसएच करने के बाद मैंने जेनकिंस इंस्टॉल की, वो कमांड्स ये हैं, ठीक है। अब मैंने इतना चीज क्रिएट कर लिया, अब मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं अब इतनी चीज समझ में आ गई, तो अब यहाँ के बाद मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, फिर मैं एक यूजर बना रही हूँ। जेनकिंस इंस्टॉल करने के बाद मैं जेनकिंस पे अपना एक यूजर बना रही हूँ, मैंने आरोही बना दिया।
ओके मैम।
इतना समझ में आया आपको?
यस मैम।
देखिए जब आप सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे तो अभी कुछ चीजें होंगी जो टेक्निकल टर्म्स हैं, अभी आपको नहीं आ रहे होंगे, बट आप जब करोगे ना तो आपको सारे टेक्निकल टर्म्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे, राइट। अभी आपको, मुझे पता है कि अभी आपको थोड़ा सा इशू आ रहा होगा, और आना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी आप लोग को ये चीजें पता नहीं है, तो ये इशू मतलब आएगा, राइट। बट आप जब एनरोल होंगे, आप जब शुरू से स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो ये इश्यूज आपको नहीं आएंगे, राइट। अब मैंने क्या किया, मैंने एक यूजर बनाया, वो आरोही शर्मा के नाम से। अब मेरे डैशबोर्ड पे, कैन आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश नाउ? So everyone should be entertained. If someone is having some issue, please connect after the session. So no one, like every time, everyone's time is precious. So everyone onto the same page. ठीक है। इन हिंदी, अगर किसी को कुछ भी इंग्लिश में डिफिकल्टी हो रही है समझने में, तो वो सेशन के बाद कनेक्ट कर ले, या जब भी हम सेशन स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो हो सकता है अभी आपको टेक्निकल टर्म्स नहीं समझ में आ रहे, लेकिन फर्दर व्हेन वी आर गोइंग, वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग ऑन टू दैट पार्ट, कि आपको हिंदी में भी चीजें समझ में आ जाए और इंग्लिश में भी आ जाए, राइट। राइट नाउ इट्स अ वर्कशॉप, सो वी नीड टू कंसीडर एवरीवन, कि everyone onto the same page, right? Till now everyone is clear that we are able to create the Jenkins and then these things. Any doubt, anyone, please speak up. Hello. Meha, are you am I audible to everyone?
Yes, 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 you are. Arui, you're on mute.
Sorry, my bad. My bad. Uh, I'm speaking on mute. So in this way, we have installed the Jenkins setup over the AWS. Till then, anyone is having any doubt? After this, we will continue into the tomorrow's session, that how we integrate this Jenkins, okay, with Maven. So in Jenkins dashboard also we are having multiple of things. Like if I'll check on onto the like new item, we are having the freestyle jobs. Freestyle job is what? This is the central feature of the Jenkins. It will build your project, combine any SCM, source code management, with any build system, and this can be even used for something other than the software build. Then we are having the pipelines, where we are talking about the multi-branch pipeline. Then other perspective, then we are having the multi-configuration project folder, multi-branch pipeline, organization folder, right? So in this manner we can work over here. It's all up to us. Then we are having the manage Jenkins. When we go into the manage Jenkins, we are having suppose if I want to, if I told you about the plugins. Suppose if you want to go for the plugins also, right? So you need to go for the available plugins. These are the plugins available. Suppose if I want to go for the Maven integration plugin, right? So I don't need to purchase from anywhere. It's a plugin which is available over here as well. So I just need to download and install. Okay. So it's downloading it, right? Suppose if I'm saying it's downloaded successfully. If you see downloaded successfully will be activated during the next boot. Next boot means when we restarted that, right? So suppose if I want to go for some GitHub, mm, again onto the available plugins, I just need to go for the Git integration. Suppose if I want to go for the GitHub integration, and just what I did, I just download. So how it's downloaded? It's just folders, then bouncy castle, then instance identifier, then Java mail API. Means these are downloaded, right? And what it says, go back to the top page, and I'm just restarting the things, right? It will take few minutes to restart the server, and then we say plugins is installed over there. So suppose if I'm not using the Jenkins, suppose if I want to install any plugin, I just need to go it manually, right? So I need to, suppose if you want to just check onto that manner, right? Suppose if you want to stop that, stop this, or from here itself, right? So you just run this command. It's a stopping, right? Suppose you want to start. Suppose you want to start from here. You don't need to go to the server and do anything. You just need to start the server, start this from here. Right? Are you want to restart the Jenkins? Yes. So we can stop and start from the web itself. We don't need to go to the server and then log in and then do that. Are you guys able to understand? Any doubt, Suneet, Gaurav, Swapnil, Deepak, Amrit,
मैम आई एम ट्राइंग टू
Akriti?
अंडरस्टैंड बट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स मुझे ऊपर से गया लाइक समझ में नहीं आया.
क्या चीज ऊपर से गया है? किसने बोला है ऊपर से गया है? प्लीज मुझे बताएंगे. हेलो सुनीत, आई थिंक यू आर और गौरव. Suneet, are you there? Like, if you say something, just complete it up, right? I'll just tell you that. I'll help you with that.
Yes, Arohi, I'm here.
Yeah, tell me. क्या ऊपर से गया आपके?
ये इंस्टॉलेशन थोड़ा मैं मतलब मैंने करके नहीं दिखा ना खुद से, तो मैं
हाँ, वो तो देखिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट जेनकिंस में जो चीजें हैं वो यहाँ तक समझ में आई कि जेनकिंस कैसे इंस्टॉल हुआ, कैसे हम काम करते हैं, राइट? अभी आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि बट ऑब्वियसली बात है, अगर मैं भी कोई सेशन अटेंड करने जाऊंगी जिसकी मुझे नॉलेज ही नहीं है तो वहां पे थोड़ा सा हमें टाइम लगता है. यू ऑल्सो
थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया, बाकी तो थोड़ा टफ लगा बस.
वो इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि अभी आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं है, राइट?
राइट.
अभी जब आप स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करेंगे, आई एम 100% अश्योर यू, लाइक यू विल नॉट फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी जब आप मतलब करोगे वहां से, राइट? तो अभी वो चीजें हैं नहीं, इसीलिए आप क्या करो कि अभी तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि चीजें करने में, इंस्टॉल करने में, लेकिन अभी ये वर्कशॉप है तो हम इतना डीप डाइव नहीं जा सकते हैं, हमें सबको लेकर चलना है, राइट? तो इसीलिए मैंने मतलब चीजें अभी तक जो समझाया मतलब वो समझ में आ रहा है ना कि इंस्टॉल किया है तो वो दिख रहा है, मतलब अभी अगर आपको 30 to 40% भी समझ में आ रहा है मतलब आपको समझ में आ रहा है. आई एम सेइंग दिस क्योंकि अभी 90% समझ में आएगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है. हाँ,
वो एक बार मैं खुद से प्रैक्टिस करूंगा ना तो मुझे उसका हैंड्स ऑन पे फिर मतलब फिर मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
anyone having any doubt? So I am summing up the session. Meha, could you please take in care after this? Like,
सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो मिलेगी ना?
Yes, we will be providing you the recordings after the session.
anyone is having any doubt? So we are having 3 minutes left. Anyone is having any doubt? So we can also entertain that. Just let us know. Otherwise, Meha, we can sum up, right?
Yes, right.
And we are continuing. Suneet, just join the session tomorrow on the updated timings, so you cannot, left anything from there. And for your queries, uh, just let me know now if you have any queries. I think I have cleared your continuous integration part, deployment, and other stuff. And if you have any queries related to your course content, and then you are having like projects perspective and other things, then you can connect directly to Meha. She will like let you know that what sort of course curriculum and everything. Everyone is, suppose if everyone is having some kind of issues related to your course curriculum, how we inculcate that course, what sort of things we'll be covering over here. So all can like ask from Meha. Meha will entertain you guys for the same.
Thank you, Arohi.
Yeah.
And Arohi, if I have doubts, I can also ask you as well, right? Like if you're available.
Yeah, definitely. Technical queries you can ask me directly.
Sure. Thank
And
you.
if you are having anyone is if anyone is having any query related to technical perspective, then I will tackle that thing. Suppose if someone is having any perspective related to your payment part, then you're having management things, so that will be taken care by Meha. So she will the right person to talk according to that perspective. Your course
Thank you.
curriculum, your fee things, your every other perspective related to this.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Meha, moving onward, you can just take a charge.
Yeah, sure. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, so I'm assuming you all have no doubt. So we are ending our session here, and we will continue tomorrow, same time, 8:30 to 10:30 p.m.
And
And
where is the
yeah,
center located actually?
we have 4 different offices in USA and one in Australia as well. And you can visit our site also for more details. It's athinfosys.com.
Okay.
Okay, and uh, all of you requested to join tomorrow's sessions. And after the session, we will be telling you more details about this program that will be beginning from 3rd of July.
Okay.
The training program which is there.
Sure. Thank you, Mia.
Thanks. Any doubts, anyone?
So this
Okay.
is a 3 months program, right?
Yes, 12
Okay.
weeks, 3 months. We will be having both weekend batches and weekday batches. You can choose any one of them. The
Okay.
details are on the website.
So what if we someone meets the class and how it will cover then? If any of the class is missed, how this will
Sunit,
help out?
the sessions are recorded, so you can go through the recordings, right? And afterwards, you can raise the concern to the concerned person, right?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Arun.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Okay. Okay, thank
Any
you
doubts,
everyone.
anyone? So I think Meha, we can sum up, right? Everyone
Yeah,
is good with that.
yeah. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining the session. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.